walk in the front door, this is the living room space that you see, and then that flows into our kitchen. And then there's basically two sides to the apartment. Me and one of my roommates share this side, and then we have another roommate on this side. So this is our little living room space. Nothing too special, but definitely cute, I think, for what we were working with. I'm not 100% sure where the rug or the sofa were from, but those two little gray pillows are from Target. I believe that letterboard is from Target as well. These two white tables are from Walmart. The plants are just from like local vendors and stuff like that. And then this big tapestry is from Society 6, a theme that you'll see repeated constantly throughout this video. Lastly, these two chairs are from Goodwill. My roommate and I got them last week for $2.99 each, so they were such a steal. They were definitely a little bit dirty, but we brought them home, cleaned them up, and we absolutely love them. They are our babies. They might be kind of ugly cute, but we love them. And then I'm not going to go into detail on our kitchen, but essentially you can see it's just like cabinets and appliances, pretty standard things. We have a cute little rug. I'm not sure where it's from. And then we have laundry back there, which is why it's a little bit loud in here. So coming over from the kitchen, my other roommate and I share this side of the apartment. So her bedroom is actually right behind me. We have a bathroom, a closet, and then my bedroom. And then you might recognize this tapestry from my dorm last year. It's from Society 6. So coming into the bathroom, it's pretty generic. Again, the lighting in here is really not ideal, but my roommate and I share this bathroom. I keep my stuff on this side of the sink. I think the only thing notable here is this toothbrush holder is from Target, and then she has some stuff over there. We both have towels hanging up. Neither of us really have a lot down here. And then over here we just have the shower, bath mat, some towels hanging up, and then toilet, trash can, all of that good stuff. This bath mat is from Target. Both of those towels are from Target too, actually, if you are wondering. And then my shower curtain is from Society 6. I had this in my apartment last year as well. I absolutely love it. So then again, coming out of the bathroom, we just have the tapestry on the wall. And then I pretty much took over this closet because we have so many in the apartment, but essentially I just have extra bins, some moving stuff for like mattresses, sheets, extra towels. I have all of my Poshmark stuff down here, and then extra cleaning supplies. And then the exciting part, we have my actual bedroom. So as you guys can see, the lighting in here is so much more ideal. I'll do a quick little pan before going into details of everything. It's pretty basic and similar to my room last year, but I'm really happy with it. So starting on the back of the door, I just have an over-the-door hanger. I believe it's from Target, and I have my everyday bag for school and then just a purse. I have my keys to the wall just so that I don't lose them, easy to find. And then I have my closet, and normally I leave it open just because I find that the wooden doors make the room a lot darker, so I like having one side of it open. Without going into too much detail, as you can see, I just have all of my shoes up on that top rack. I have the majority of my clothes that are hanging kind of pushed over on that side, some laundry baskets at the bottom, and then over here I just have extra storage. So I have my tripod, umbrella, yoga mat, and then I have this bin from Target that's kind of a catch-all for other accessories and bags that I have. I have extra pairs of sunglasses, my favorite scarf. If you guys are a subscriber, you've definitely seen this. My sweatshirt that I wear most often, just things like that. And then in here, I just have more clothing, socks, underwear, all of that good stuff. And these are from Bed Bath & Beyond. One of the reasons I love this room is the windows. As you can see, they let in a ton of light, and it's a really pretty view, just a ton of greenery, which I absolutely love. Moving on to this side of the bedroom, a lot of this is the same as it's been in previous years, so I'll go over it pretty quickly. This rug is from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's perfect for college, cheap, but gets the job done. My nightstand is from IKEA. It was only $29, so definitely a good deal if you're looking for something cheap. And then on top of the nightstand, I have this lamp from Target, a little crystal I got in DC this summer, a coaster with coffee on it from the local coffee shop, my hydro flask, and then normally my phone or whatever device I am currently using. And then coming up from there, I just have some prints and stuff on my wall. I have this little photo string from Photo Jojo and some photos. I definitely need to print new ones, but they're just kind of there for the time being. And then I have these two prints from Society 6. I had these in my room last year and I really love them. The first one just says "The future is female," and the one below it is like outlines of crystals and rocks. Super cute. And then moving down to the bed, nothing has really changed since last year. Everything that you're seeing is from Target except for these 2 pillows, which are from Society 6. If you're interested in any of the stuff from Society 6, this isn't sponsored, but I did make a collection with them last year around this time. So I'll make sure to leave that link down below because it has direct links to the majority of the stuff I've talked about in this video. So then coming over from my bed, I have this little nook that I like to do my makeup in, a little dresser situation, and then we are back to this area of the room. All of this is the exact same as it was last year in my dorm, so I'm not gonna go over it too much. But essentially, mirror from Target, pillow from Society 6, cart from IKEA. You guys know the drill by now. And then lastly, I have this little dresser thing. I'm not sure where it's from. I bought it off of a girl on Facebook last year that was graduating. But essentially, I keep all of my schoolwork, textbooks, all of that stuff in that cubby. My favorite blanket, you guessed it, from Society 6. A little pouch with all of my technology, a backpack for when I need it. That drawer is just kind of a catch-all. It has random school supplies or tape, random stuff like that. And then this is books/decor that did not make it up on my wall. So I'm gonna bring a lot of that home for fall break. As far as decorations up here, I have this candle from TJ Maxx. That Good Vibes Only light up sign is also from TJ Maxx. These 2 little decor pieces are from Target. This is just a rock, and then a little catch-all tray. I love putting my memory cards and necklaces and stuff like that in there. And then all of the prints that are framed are from Society 6. And that pretty much sums up everything. This is a box for a sponsorship that's coming soon. I'm super excited about it, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Super simple this year, but I'm really happy with how my room turned out. So that is everything for my senior year apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I really, really love this space, as I've said a million times, and I'm so happy to be living here. I think I did a pretty good job of explaining where everything is from, but if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave them down below. I will definitely respond. I'll also leave other links to previous dorm and apartment tours if you want to see where else I've lived in college or how else I've styled all of these items throughout the years. All my social media will be linked down below per usual, and with all that being said, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.